There are many accessory feet that you can add on to the Singer Promise 2 Model 1512 sewing machine, so it can do a lot more. You can do gathering, you can do ruffling, you can add a walking foot on, free motion quilting. Head over to Singer's website. They've got all the available accessories for you to check out. So most of the time, feet are considered a snap-on foot. So if you just see a flat foot with maybe a bar on it, or this is the zipper foot, it actually has 2 bars, we will be using this small little lever on the back of the machine to, when you push it, it just releases the foot. Now, as you can see, there's kind of this little claw, and we will be lining up the claw and the bar to reattach it. So the easiest thing to do is slide that underneath, and then we're going to hold it so that when you lower the presser foot, you can do this slowly. Now, when I lowered it, it didn't snap on. Here's the tip. Pull the foot a little bit towards you, and then it will line up and click into place. Once it's attached, it does lift the foot right back up, and it will stay there until you touch this button again. Now, there are some feet that you actually will be attaching by unscrewing this screw here, like the walking foot and free motion quilting foot. Those two for sure are ones that you'll actually take off not only the foot base, but also the ankle part, and then they're screwed into position. And you do have a screwdriver in with this machine. It looks like this. I know it looks a little different than a normal screwdriver, but that's an easy way to get things on and off and then tightened up snugly so they don't wiggle loose. So check out all the additional feet. I am a fan of feet. I love accessories, and even though this is a simple machine, there's a lot that you can do just by adding different feet. We'll put links below this YouTube video where you can find additional accessories for this machine.